So you've heard about Course Creator 360 and are now wondering, how do you actually set it up and start using it? I've been through the process myself, and let me tell you, this platform is a game changer and its onboarding processes are like no other. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to get started with Course Creator 360, from setting up your account to launching your first course. And if at any point you decide you're ready to jump in, check out the link below for a special offer where you'll get a free 30-day trial and a 90-minute bootcamp course to help you get started. Let's jump in. Once you land on the pricing page using the link below, you'll see 3 plans to choose from. You have the starter plan at $97 a month, the premium plan at $147 a month, and the elite plan at $297 per month. The good news, no matter which plan you pick, you're getting almost everything Course Creator 360 has to offer. There's no gatekeeping. Unlike other platforms that lock major features behind higher price plans, CC360 gives you 90% of the features across all 3 tiers. So what's included in every plan? No matter which plan you choose, you get unlimited courses and products, which means no limits on how many courses you can create. You get unlimited funnels and websites, meaning that you can build as many sales pages and websites as you need. You also get unlimited automations, contacts, and customers, where you can manage your business without hitting any limits. There's also 24/7 live chat support, and trust me, this is super helpful, especially if you're new to these platforms. Now, what's the biggest difference between plans? It comes down to whether you have more time or more money. If you have more money than time, the elite plan at $297 per month is for you. It includes done-for-you course and funnel migration. If you already have courses on another platform, CC360 will move everything over for you, saving you hours of setup time. If you have more time than money, the starter plan or the premium plan makes more sense. You'll be setting up your courses, websites, and funnels yourself, but you'll also still have access to all the tools and templates to get started. Some key differences between the plans. Emails and accounts. The starter plan allows you 1 account and you pay per email. The premium plan allows you 2 accounts and 14,000 emails a month included. The elite plan allows you 5 accounts and unlimited emails. If you run multiple businesses or want to share an account with a family member or friend, the premium or the elite plan makes sense. My recommendation is that for most people, the starter plan at $97 a month is a solid choice. You get all the tools you need without overpaying. However, if you have a second business or a friend who wants to split the cost, the premium plan at $147 is a great deal. You get 2 accounts, a big email allowance, and bi-weekly coaching calls with Stockton, one of the CC360 founders, so that you can get direct guidance. If you're serious about saving time and already have courses elsewhere, then the elite plan at $297 per month makes sense for the done-for-you migration and extra accounts. Whatever plan you choose, the key is getting started. Pick one that fits your budget and workload, and you can always upgrade or downgrade later. Now, when you first log into Course Creator 360, my recommendation is that you navigate to this 90-minute bootcamp, okay? This is included when you use my link down below in order to sign up. And what this is that it's a series of 14 steps that guide you step by step on how to get started with Course Creator 360. So it goes in sequential order, and please do not skip any of the steps. So if we click on the first step right over here, a video will play for you, and down below will be actionable steps that you can use to checkmark and keep track of your progress. So after you watch this getting started video, you'll book your onboarding call. And let me show you what this onboarding call is. So this onboarding call is about 30 to 45 minutes, and you speak to a real human who will guide you on how to connect your domain, how to set up your email, and how to integrate your payment processor. On other softwares, okay, people usually charge extra for this call, but with your Course Creator 360 membership, it is included, okay? This is a free call, and this is gonna ensure that all the technical aspects of your domain, your website, your payment processors, and your emails are all working properly. So you book your call, and then next, what you do is that you fill out this template filler form. So if we click on complete form, what this is that on Course Creator 360, there's like 50 plus templates of funnels, websites, automations, and marketing emails. All of those templates will automatically be filled out if you fill out this template filler, okay? And I highly recommend you need to fill out this template filler so that all the templates auto-populate with your business name, with your email. So if we put here an example email, you'll see that it's now asking what email or what name do I want to have the name from for all email communications. What is the from email I want to use for all email communications? What is the name of my course? So we'll just say the YT Success System. So it's basically like a very short 8 questionnaire, and it autofills on all of the templates on Course Creator 360. So this is something that is a complete game changer and really expedites you having to manually input your name on every email or having to manually input your business name on every email. So the next step is to join the CC360 private community where you'll meet other like-minded individuals, and that's also where you'll be notified of when coaching calls do occur with Stockton, the founder himself. So down over here are extra services that Course Creator 360 offers. You can opt into this if you want to have your funnel or website migrated or if you want to have your course migrated, but it's a very easy setup or onboarding process just because of this checklist. Like they really do guide you hand in hand on how to get started. So if we move on to the next day, which is step 1, here we will connect our domain and client portal, and this is a video showing you how to do that. So this will usually be done on the call via the call that you booked in the previous step though. So connecting your domain to CC360, connecting your client portal, publishing your first funnel, and booking your onboarding call. The onboarding call is basically going to guide you through all these steps so that you set them up properly. Now, if we go on to the next step, I'll just go through a couple more steps. Here is where you're going to connect your payment processor so that you can start accepting payments for your online courses, coaching services, or programs. So this video shows you how to do that. Next, you're going to define your first product and price point. So this video shows you how to do that. So it really is a sequential step-by-step guide on how to get started with Course Creator 360. And you get this instantly as soon as you do sign up. So if we go back to the bootcamp, I'll just now do a quick overview of what each of the steps do. So step 4 will be creating your first course. Step 5 will be creating your first offer. So an offer is basically like giving access to your course, okay? There's a little like overlap between them, but offer basically gives you access to your course. Then you're going to create your community. Then you're going to customize how students or clients log in via their own portal. Then you're going to be able to create your first funnel and website using one of the many templates. So if we go into step 8, you'll see that you can actually import a proven course template. You could also, again, they remind you to fill out the template filler form so that all the templates on Course Creator 360 are populated with your name, your course name, your business name. And so down over here at the CC360 template hub, you'll see all the templates that are included, okay? You can import these templates onto your Course Creator 360 account. If I click on sites, you'll see all these plug and play templates which are included in your membership with Course Creator 360 as well. So these are all proven templates that have worked for them. On the automation side of things, they've already created predefined folders for you, ones that they feel are important in the step-by-step process of getting leads and converting them into sales. So you have pre-built paying member workflows. Here we have leads and prospect workflows, which are, you just need to go ahead and fill out the template filler form, and you can adjust these emails as you want. So if we check out this template sequence that you see right over here, this is already provided for you, and this is what they've used to generate millions of dollars in sales on their own courses. So you can just go ahead and edit this to your liking, okay? But now if we go back to the 90-minute bootcamp, step 9 will be creating your checkout page. Step 10 will be creating your first automation. Step 11 will be creating your business info or setting up your business info. Step 12 will be creating your first calendar. Step 13 will be registering for a phone number. And step 14 will be the next steps to succeed. So this is going to essentially set you up for success as far as allowing you to actually start marketing your course so that someone can go and opt in into your page, see your product, purchase your product, and then you'll receive money, okay? This 90-minute bootcamp literally guides you step by step on how to do that. Now, if you want to go into more in depth on how to use certain features and tools on Course Creator 360, they have a ton of tutorials right over here that are broken down based on automations and workflows, calendars, membership, CRM, website. So there's a lot of different micro tutorials that you can see over here as far as the more intricacies of utilizing and taking advantage of the tools on Course Creator 360. As a last resort, if you still need help, let's say that you're working on a funnel that's a bit more customized and more complex, you could always contact their support clicking the red widget button down over here. So you could actually message them, and usually someone responds within like 2 minutes, usually a minute or less, and they'll usually reply with a Loom recording video. So it's an actual human trying to help you out. And as a mega last resort, If you go back to the 90-minute bootcamp and you can't get your answer from support right over here, you could actually go back to the start here section and you can hire a CC360 expert. This is more so for people who have more money than time. So you can actually describe your project and they'll give you a customized quote and start working on your project. So as a last case resort, if support doesn't work, and support is included no matter which plan of Course Creator 360 that you're on, you can always hire a CC360 expert, get a custom quote, and then if you guys both agree on the quote, they'll start working on your project. So that is essentially it, guys, as far as how to get started with Course Creator 360. If you are interested in signing up, I'd appreciate if you use my link down below in order to sign up. You'll get a free 30-day trial, and you'll also have access to this 90-minute bootcamp, which guides you step by step on how to get started with Course Creator 360, okay? But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.